One person holds a chicken while another inserts a red object into the chicken's nostrils, completing the process of fitting the chicken glasses. Chickens are animals with a strong hierarchical order, and they tend to be more aggressive and ill-tempered than one might expect. When confined in a coop, they often fight with each other, especially roosters, which are naturally aggressive and can pose a threat not only to hens but also to humans. To address this issue, chicken glasses were designed to partially obstruct the chicken's vision, preventing them from fighting. This reduces their stress levels, increases the survival rate of hens, and ultimately boosts egg production by lowering stress.